Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today you're about to witness something so outrageous, so luxurious and so powerful, it might just break the internet. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a 2026 Kenworth T-2000 that's been transformed into a rolling 5-star resort. A literal mansion on 18 wheels. Right off the bat, this beast demands respect. Powered by a Cummins X15, engine pumping out a monstrous 605 horsepower, the T-2000 doesn't just look strong, it is strong. Whether you're hauling through desert heat or icy highways, this rig eats miles for breakfast. But performance is just the beginning. Step inside, and everything changes. The first thing that hits you? The cinematic experience. Yes, you heard that right. This motorhome features a full-on private cinema room with a 70-inch 4K screen, Dolby Atmos surround sound, recliner seats and blackout curtains. It's like stepping into a luxury theater. But this one moves with you. Netflix on the go? Try movie premieres on wheels. Now let's move into the bedroom. This is no sleeper cab. We're talking a full king-sized bed with memory foam, ambient LED lighting, cedar-lined wardrobes, and even an electric fireplace. Imagine falling asleep under the stars in ultimate comfort. No hotel can beat that. And if you're thinking, could it get any crazier? Oh yes, it does. Let's talk about the jacuzzi. Yes, a real jacuzzi tub tucked into the master bathroom. It's heated, self-cleaning, and surprisingly spacious. Whether you're off-grid in the Rockies or parked on the Vegas Strip, you can soak in style. The kitchen is fully loaded too, granite countertops, an induction stove, smart fridge, and even a built-in espresso bar. There's also a fold-out dining nook that doubles as a workstation for those remote work sessions. Wi-Fi, of course. Satellite linked and 5G boosted. Climate control is fully automated. Touchscreen panels let you adjust temperature, lighting, and blinds with a single tap. Or you can do it all via voice command using the integrated AI system. Solar power? Check. This T-2000 comes with a 1,500-watt solar array, lithium battery bank, and a backup diesel generator. You could live off the grid for weeks. Water tanks? You've got 1,000 gallons on board, split between fresh, gray, and black. Safety hasn't been ignored either. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot sensors, 360-degree cameras, and even emergency braking. It's safer than most cars on the road today. All this wrapped inside that iconic Kenworth shell. Aggressive, bold, and timeless. So what's the catch? Well, the price is steep, starting at $1.8 million and climbing, depending on your customization. But for those who can afford it, the 2026 T-2000 motorhome is less of a vehicle and more of a statement. It says, I travel in style. I live without limits. If you thought trucks were just for hauling freight, think again. This is the future of road travel, and it's louder, prouder, and more luxurious than ever.